Welcome to this presentation on professionalism by Quimbee. My name is Kevin Johnson. This presentation includes a number of course materials, including today's slides, complete with detailed presenter notes. You can follow along with those slides or just enjoy listening to how wonderful it really is to be a lawyer. The practice of law is a noble and fascinating career, no matter what your practice or situation looks like. The practice of law, however, is also a difficult and stressful career. I doubt there isn't a lawyer anywhere who has not contemplated giving it all up on more than one occasion. A number of lawyers do, in fact, quit the practice of law. To survive in this profession requires patience and stamina, as well as, I believe, an appreciation for what you and other lawyers actually do to contribute to society. It is our professionalism that can allow us to not only survive, but to thrive in the practice of law. The purpose of this presentation is to describe what professionalism means and how being professional helps to have an ultimately rewarding career. The very first thing we are required to do as a brand new licensed attorney is to take the oath of admission. This oath sets out the basics of professionalism. The exact wording of this oath may vary from state to state, but they are all essentially the same. Here is the oath I took. I do solemnly swear or affirm that I will support and bear true allegiance to the Constitution of the United States and to the Constitution of this state, that I will neither delay nor deny the rights of any person through malice, for lucre, or from any unworthy desire, that I will not knowingly foster or promote or give my assent to any fraudulent, groundless, or unjust suit, that I will neither do nor consent to the doing of any falsehood in court, and that I will discharge my duties as an attorney and counselor of the Supreme Court and all other courts of this state with fidelity both to the court and to my cause, and to the best of my knowledge and ability. Your state's rules of professional conduct set out the required elements of professionalism that explain how we must conduct ourselves as lawyers. In addition, in Georgia, the state Supreme Court has entered an order in the rules and regulations of the State Bar of Georgia entitled Aspirational Statement on Professionalism. This statement includes both general aspirational ideals and specific aspirational ideals. The Georgia court has also entered an order entitled A Lawyer's Creed in the rules and regulations of the State Bar. The ideals set out in these documents will be referred to during this presentation. While the oath of admission, the rules of professional conduct, a lawyer's creed, and aspirational statement on professionalism all set out the formal elements of professionalism, we learn what it really and truly means to be a lawyer from other lawyers, from judges, from our clients, and from the things we experience as time goes by. There are several sections in this presentation, and each begins with a quote that is relevant to the topic of the section. My comments are largely based on what I have learned and experienced over a 40-year career as a sole practitioner and as a corporate general counsel. The basic theme of professionalism. Lord, grant that I may be able in argument, accurate in analysis, strict in study, candid with clients, and honest with adversaries. Sit with me at my desk and listen with me to my clients' complaints. Read with me in my library, and stand beside me in court, so that today I shall not, in order to win a point, lose my soul. Sir Thomas More. Sir Thomas More was an English lawyer and judge in the 16th century. He was also Lord High Chancellor of England under King Henry VIII. He was widely regarded by everyone at the time as being a man of high integrity, which, ironically, ultimately led to his execution by Henry VIII when he would not take an oath that he believed violated the laws of England. The key line in this quote, I believe, is, I shall not, in order to win a point, lose my soul. The relevant soul we should not lose is our professionalism. Our professionalism includes how we handle client matters, as well as how we interact with the court, with colleagues and opponents, with our communities, and whenever we have a public voice. The Georgia Aspirational Ideals addresses this issue by category, which includes clients, opposing parties and their counsel, courts are the tribunals and those who assist them, colleagues, our profession, and the public and our systems of justice. Everything we do or might do as a lawyer, and regardless of who or what we interact with, It is our professionalism that must be our guide.